Hey there. Curious about your credit score and how to improve it? Amex provides a free FICO Score and Insights tool to help you understand and build your financial health. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. If you're an eligible card member, you can find your FICO Score updated monthly in your online account or the Amex app, typically in the Account or Benefits section. Along with the score, Amex provides key factors affecting it, like payment history or credit utilization, and often includes a score simulator to see how potential actions might impact it. My crucial pro tip? Don't just check the number, read the reasons. The factors listed are a personalized roadmap. If it says, high credit card utilization, you know to focus on paying down balances. This turns a simple score check into an actionable financial plan. That's a powerful, free tool to guide your credit journey. Do you check your credit score monthly, or only when you're planning a big loan? Let me know in the comments. If financial wellness guides help you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.